Hello everyone, JoRaSe here, ready to get back into our JoRaSe Dev Simple Game project. This time we're going to be bringing our other character into the game, and with that we'll go ahead and get to it. That's what we've got so far, but we've got a problem. The ending for our little game project here, we need someone inside there to walk out. So let's get to that. What we're going to start with is going all the way down to the main function where all the models are created, and we're going to copy this one, the character film model creation line, and now we can paste it in. And we can put a null in for the function or action. And we're going to need to figure out the position here. Let's see. I'm going to try -287, and we'll see what that does. Now, what did we call the character file here? Going to have to open it up. So we want I want to make sure I'm only showing things that I'm ready for you guys to see. Get to the file. Alright, so we want this one. Just copy the name there. Now paste it in the entire name over here. And let's run it and see what happens. So there should be the male model over here somewhere. Oh, hey, that's close. He's in there, just stuck in the wall. Alright, so 287 is a bit too far. Let's try, or is it not far enough? It's probably just a bit too far. So we'll try 275 and run it again. Get far enough over this way where we can peek inside. That's better. Definitely better. Still kind of stuck in the wall. But let's go through the process here and unlock the door so we can have a more complete look. And can get moving in the right direction here. There we go. So I'm going to say maybe 2. Probably 255. Let's try 255, and we need to move it forward a bit on the other axis, so we'll do that as well. So 255 here, and try 202 there. Now let's see. It needs to be going the other way. But we do have him centered now. So 182. There we go. So now he's in there. Could probably bring him up a fair amount closer though. So we'll try moving him forward by 20. See what happens here now. Yeah, that looks better. That looks better indeed. So that's the static bit. We'll now need to set up his function to make him move out once the gate opens. So, first thing we're going to do is name our function, and we'll go with char escape. I think that sounds appropriate given what he's going to be doing. Now to set up the appropriate action, and do it above it. No, we'll do it down below. Right, this last one. So there. want a while one loop, as always. And we're just going to copy this from up here and then replace everything on the inside. So we're going to set up a different variable, and what it's going to control is the animation percentage for the character walking out the door. So for right now, we're just getting rid of all of the unnecessary variables and animation names. And we will then set up everything else. There's this last one, and we are done with this. So there we go. Now, all the way up to the variables. Make sure we're right in the right spot there. So, first one, variable. Since this is a non-playable character, we will go NPC walk perk, and we can go ahead and copy this and move it down all the way into our new bit here, and we'll just put it right here. So as long as that does not equal 100, we want to animate it. And where are we? There. Paste that in right there. Get rid of that. And since they're the same, I can just look up at the other character. Okay, we just had it walk. There we go. And now we don't need this here at all, I believe. Let me open up that file. Do I have just a wait command? Stand. So it has a stand. Excellent. We will use the stand for the other one. And we'll just copy this And this will do it, because we want it to just stand there unless the door opens up. So that should do that. Now, next variable we need to set is a free variable, so-called, because this is what's going to, as soon as that gate opens up, this will be what signals the other. So let's see, figure out where I want to put it. Yeah, it should go down in here. There, plus equals 1. And now here, if free equals 1, and we need to put this in. I just noticed that wasn't there. It should be. This one needs to be there, and now so that's fixed. And if it does not equal 1, it does nothing. Just stands inside there. So let's test this and see if everything is going to work right. Of course not. Because I forgot to set NPC stand perk as a variable. Had the first one, but not the second one. All right, that should do it. There we go. So what we're looking for this time is, one, the character to be standing inside there, that while we're going about our actions, not moving. So far, so good. Now, let's get the next one here. And as soon as that gate opens up, the character should start moving. There's 2. All right, last one. So he went through one cycle and then stopped. And that's because we don't have it set to do anything more than that. We want it to animate. So we need to use the anim cycle. And if we look, no. All right, we just copy this in, down, not door control, here. Now we run it. And we should see him, once we get everything opened up, he should start moving freely. Still inside, but moving. There we go, got that one. All right. Drop this in here. Oh, so he stopped again, did he? So what's up with that? Let's see. Okay. So it looks like we need to have an instruction to reset the walk percent back to 0. So let's see, how did we do it for those tokens? That tells me nothing. But if let's add something there. Let's see here. This is what we need right here. So we want, only not here in this one. We want it down below here. PC walk dash perk. And this should reset it to 0. Let's see if it does what I hope it does. There's 1. Two. Well, we've done quite a bit today for our JoRaSe Dev Simple Game project, and looks like we're going to have to call it quits for this time. Thought we could get it done in one go, but turns out we couldn't. So I look forward to seeing all of you back here next time. Alright everyone, hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, feel free to give me a like and maybe subscribe. And if you want to go a little bit further and you want to see your name in lights in the credits here, feel free to go to my Patreon and contribute. Till next time, everyone.